So we are.
Where we at, bro?
I don't know. So this is the river.
Yep.
This
So we gotta go
is
this
where
way.
we're going. Right here. Right there. That's where are we going? Right there. Verde hot springs. What is that, roly poly?
Yeah.
Could I?
Oh, it's already dead.
Oh,
Can I keep it? Oh, wait.
Let me keep it, dude.
Oh, it's alive. Don't leave it alone. Let it go back to its house.
Whew. So cool ourselves off. It's hot. Come on. Where? Oh, horse doo-doo. Where's that cow? What's up for that doo-doo? Rocky, go. Go. Stop. Stupid big. Oh! That part's slippery right there. Oh, dude, it's all muddy. Dang.
You going in?
Tell me how good it is.
Whoa!
Is that rocky now?
No, it's not rocky. It's just all mud.
Quicksand.
Dang, look at that black trail. It's cold, huh?
What? You guys can walk that way if you want to.